Hey guys, how you doing? Right here again. If you'd like to subscribe, it's Nitro Kyosho. We're down at the flying field doing this video. I bought this from www.rcgalore.net, and my buddy Phil, who's filming this, loved it so much I ended up selling it to him because I had a lot of projects going on, and he's almost done building it. Some of the changes with this helicopter, guys, the aluminum plate back here, side plate on the tail, and aluminum for the struts to actually go into instead of plastic, and aluminum in the front for the speed control, to hold the speed control. The way the skids go on are a little bit different than the 500, but the boom, canopy, setup, everything, servo layout, everything's basically the same, guys. Phil's going to use the Torque BL series BL 9180 Outrage, okay, the Cyclics. The motor, he's going to go with probably a Quantum, and it still needs to finish up the build here. But we can bring the camera in and show you a little bit closer here. Okay, I'll show you some of the differences here. We've got this plate on the 500, guys. Okay, it was carbon fiber. They've changed that to aluminum, which is nice. Okay. And you can see the back here where the struts going on mine on the 500 were plastic. They've added some aluminum, which is nice. And the front is also aluminum integrated with the ESC tray. Okay, and he's going to be using a YGE 120 on this. Okay, well, it's basically done, guys. It's just at the point where the servos have to go in. Going to be using excuse me, Mikado V-bar system, okay, on it. And but the build, guys, is just the same as, you know, like with the 500. Everything goes together basically the same way. So if you built one of those, this would be just about the same to build. Boom setup is the same, everything. But hopefully in a couple of weeks we'll see this thing hovering around, and it should be a lot of fun. It's a nice looking helicopter, guys. I like the improvements they made. I think some of my videos, they actually listened. Getting rid of the putting the aluminum underneath there to hold the struts is definitely a very nice idea. They still have the breakaway skids, okay, but this is a nice addition too. Definitely getting rid of the carbon fiber and putting the aluminum. It's not going to add that much more weight, guys. But I know you guys have been waiting a long time to see this, and like I said, I actually sold this to Phil and he's been building it, so there it is. And like I said, this came from www.rcgalore.net. They got a lot of Mikado and Goblin kits there, so check them out. And next time you see this, it'll be flying, guys. So thanks for watching.